3 inches of precipitation has fallen. Sunset tonight is at 6:08 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 6:50 a.m. The current time is 10:58 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10 a.m., at Drake Field in Fayetteville, it was cloudy. The temperature was 33, dew point 25, relative humidity 72%. The wind was northwest at 17, gusting to 23, producing a wind chill of 22. The pressure was 30.28 inches and rising. Around Arkansas this hour, at the Northwest Arkansas Regional Airport, it was cloudy with a temperature of 31. The wind was north at 13, producing a wind chill of 21. At Fort Smith, it was cloudy with a temperature of 38. The wind was northwest at 16, gusting to 25, producing a wind chill of 29. In Little Rock, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 45. The wind was north at 17, gusting to 23. At Harrison, it was cloudy with a temperature of 33. The wind was northwest at 15, gusting to 22, producing a wind chill of 23. In Hot Springs, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 44. The wind was northwest at 13, gusting to 22. Around the region, in Tulsa, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 35. In Muskogee, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 37. In McAllister, snow flurries were reported with a temperature of 37. In Springfield, snow flurries were reported with a temperature of 30. At Joplin, it was cloudy with a temperature of 33. And in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 40. Once again, in western Arkansas,
This is the National Weather Service office in Tulsa. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially though receivers can be automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon local time. If there's a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Reception of the broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. Its variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. In Oklahoma, Adair, Atoka, Bryan, Craig, Cherokee, Choctaw, Creek, Cole, Delaware, Haskell, Hughes, Latimer, LaFleur, Mays, McIntosh, Muskogee, Nowata, Okfuskee, Okmulgee, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Pittsburgh, Wishmataha, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagner, and Washington, western Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Logan, Madison, Scott, Sebastian, Washington counties, southwest Missouri, McDonald, Berry counties, and southeast Kansas, Chautauqua, and Labette, and Montgomery counties. This concludes this week's test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Public Warning System. Now return to our normal programming.
and now the hazardous weather outlook. Issued at 5:53 a.m. Central Standard Time. This outlook is for northwest and west central Arkansas as well as much of eastern Oklahoma. For today and tonight. Winter weather. Snow accumulation. Risk, limited. Area, northwest Arkansas and adjacent areas of eastern Oklahoma. Onset, ongoing. Significant winds. Risk, limited. Area, eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Onset, ongoing. Discussion, areas of light snow were ongoing early this morning across northwest Arkansas and adjacent areas of eastern Oklahoma. This activity is expected to taper off this morning with little if any additional accumulation. There is a small chance of isolated shower or snow shower development this afternoon across northwest Arkansas. Spotter and Emergency Management Action Statement. Spotter activation not expected. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Thursday, high wind potential. Friday, no hazards. Saturday, high wind potential. Sunday, very high fire weather potential, high wind potential. Monday, thunderstorm potential. Tuesday, heavy rain potential. Extended discussion. Much warmer weather is forecast for this weekend, with the fire danger increasing as south winds become gusty. An upper-level system looks to move into the plains for early next week with a return of showers and thunderstorms, some of which may bring a threat of heavy rainfall. Weather.gov/Tulsa contains additional information.